How to mute a conversation in Google Voice. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to voice.google.com. Then make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account. On the left hand side, click on the Message tab to see your conversation list. Find the conversation you would like to mute from your inbox. Hover over that conversation, then click to open it. In the upper right corner of the conversation panel, click on the three vertical dots to open the options menu. From the drop-down, click on Archive. This will instantly move the conversation out of your main inbox view, keeping things tidy without deleting any messages. Now it's important to know that Google Voice doesn't currently offer a direct mute option like other messaging apps. Archiving is the closest alternative as it hides the conversation without blocking it, and the thread will return only if a new message comes in. If you want to completely stop messages and calls from that number, you can choose block number from the same menu instead. Now you know how to mute a conversation in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.